Arduino pin basics. Begin by plugging in the USB cable into the left or right USB plugs on the laptop, and plug the other end into this port on the Arduino. A small light will turn on, indicating whether the Arduino is powered. Pins overview. The breadboard is where most wiring will take place. Running power through the breadboard to complete circuits involves plugging a wire from the 5-volt pin on the breadboard into the positive column labeled with a plus sign, and connecting the end of the last wire of your circuit into the ground pin on the Arduino or into the negative column labeled with a minus sign. The 5-volt pin, labeled 5V, is used to direct power to components and pins on the breadboard, and the ground pin, labeled GND, is used to ground the pins and close a circuit. The digital pins are used to power components with only 2 possible modes or functions. For example, LED lights or push buttons. The analog pins are used to power and control components with a degree or range of modes and or functions. For example, servo motors or potentiometers. Blink LED. Begin by opening up the Arduino program. In the top left toolbar, click on the Tools drop-down tab and hover over Board. Then make sure that Arduino Uno or the name of whatever model you are using is selected. Then hover over Ports and select the USB modem that your Arduino is connected to. To open any example codes, open the Files tab and hover over Examples. This section is where your code will be written. The area under Void Setup is for you to input your values and basic rules for your code. And under Void Loop is used for running any codes in a continuous or repetitive loop. After your code is finished, click the Verify button in the top left corner indicated with a check mark. This will check for any errors in your code that will prevent you from running it properly. If your code is done correctly, you are ready to upload. But before uploading, always make sure to check port and board to make sure they are correct. Then click Uploaded, which is located next to Verify. The LED light blink time can be changed by altering the value of your delay function.